Wow, it looks like OM wants us to pick it again. OM wants us to pick it again, but this is 59. It's quite low, but this is really full. I think I'm going to go with OM one more time. Look at OM. Let me check the volatility level. The volatility level is important because you want to make sure that people are buying it. It's actually going up in the 1 minute. It's going up. It's actually going up. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. I think I'll go with it one more time. I hope this is not going to drop, but I'll just go with it. It looks good. It looks good. But the only concern I have with it is the RSI. The RSI is not strong. It's 59. That means that it's still, it's not as, I don't know what to do. It's just kind of, but it's looking full, guys. Let me see what push it will do. Let me see what push it will give. Let me see what push it will give. Okay, I'm seeing it close up. I'm seeing it close up. I think I can pick it. It's leveling. It's leveling. It's leveling, guys. It is leveling. Okay, I think we should go with it. Let's go with it, guys. Let's go with it. Let's choose OM one more time. Let's go with OM one more time, guys. One more time. It fits everything I wanted to fix. But wait, it's not picking that much. Then we'll have to pick the higher price. We may have to pick the higher price so that we can get this. Let me go see what's going on again. Is it still moving up? It looks like it is moving up. It looks like it is going up, guys. I think I should just go ahead and pick 50. Alrighty. Yes, we will go with this and see. Yeah, did it buy? It looks like it bought, guys. It looks like it bought. It bought it. Yeah, very quick and quick and quick. You can see that. All right. So what's the next level? We are doing this, of course. It went to 0.40, right? Let's go check this inside of the. Let me just take the screenshot quickly so that we will have that. Okay, so let's take the screenshot. Okay, it's gone up. It's gone up. The RSI has gone up. Yeah, the RSI has gone up to. Okay, the RSI has not gone up. I'm not seeing it move quickly, but no problems. We're in it already. So let's go to convert. Let's go to convert. Okay. All right. So let's go quickly pick that up. OM, guys. Yes. To USDT. USDT. All right. So we pick up the max. We pick up the max. And let's put this in. Let's put this in 40 and see what it will give us. We should be getting 51.94. How much did we buy? Oh my God. Keep on going. Go and check this thing fast. Check this thing fast. How much did we buy? I think, hey, all right. We bought it in 2 portions, right? That's 40, 49 point, what, 56 is what? That is what? 74. 49.74. Okay, 49.74. Let's go do this, guys. Let's make it snappy. That was 49.74. Okay, so anything in the range of shortly before 1 will do that. Okay, and then we quickly pick up our USDT. Alrighty, okay. Let's pick up the max and then we'll put this at, let's put it at 40. Let's see, 50, what? That's a lot. That will be 39 then. 395. 393. Okay, I think I'm cool with this. It's a little bit more, but I think I'm cool with it. Let's go with that. Let's go with that, right? What was it? 393? I guess it was. All right. So are we good? I think we are in the tray. Yeah. OM is in the tray. Currently, we are at 393. Okay, 393. Let's see how long this will take. So we are currently waiting for it. Let's hope this will not give us some funny moves. Okay, it's going up, guys. Look at it. Wow. I'm expecting this to quickly move fast. I'm expecting it to move fast, guys. Yeah. Can you see this? This is looking beautiful. I think I have I taken the screenshot? I think I have. Let me take it one more time. Alrighty. So OM. Here we are. Wow. Look at this. Can you see that OM is about getting executed? I'm just watching it as it's just pushing because at 0394. Our target is to get to 4 405, right? So I just saw this. I said, wow, this is a lovely place to get started with, because look, it's actually on the verge. Yeah, oh my God, we're currently at 3510. Oh my God. This should get to 405 shortly. This should get to 405 shortly. OM is currently on the road to getting executed. I'm thinking that, oh, maybe should I just cash out right now? I am in profit already, but I'm hoping that this will push up. I hope this is not going to be a waste of time. Just watching this. I think I'm going to go out of this. Just watching it again can give you some stress. But let me go and see. Let me go and see what our exact target is. Are we still getting this executed? Just watching this can give you some up and downs. I'm thinking, do you think I should just go and cash out, or should I leave it? What do you think? Should I cash out now? We're already in profit. Do you think I should cash out? Oh my God, see where it went to. Let me see where this thing went to. Oh God, let me see where it got to. It just shot up high. It went to our target, guys. But I don't know whether we have been executed right now. I don't know. It just shot up high. I don't know. But anyways, it's actually in 401. It's in 401, guys. Look at it. It is in 401. Oh my God. Can you see what I am seeing here? Wow. Look at it. It quickly touched 405. What happened? That means a huge amount. Oh my God. It got to 4112. Oh my God. It got to what? 4112. Did I get executed? I don't know. I can't say now. I cannot say. Oh, what's going on? The way it just went there. Fast, like the speed of light. All these things kind of have some form of delay. I don't know. Am I still here? I think it has already executed. I think OM has executed. Has it? I'm not sure. I'm not seeing it in the tray anymore. What happened? Oh, it actually executed. It's at 290. Don't mind me. Look at it. I was wondering what's going on. Am I right or am I wrong? I don't know. Let's go and check. I don't know. Let me see. I will know now. Let me go and check whether OM is part of the tray. I don't know. These things. Okay, OM has actually executed, guys. Was it not OM just right now? OM has executed. Oh my God. Look at it. I was looking for OM and it has so these are, the two of them has already executed. That's beautiful. I love that. I love it, guys. Can you see that? As you can see, it gave us 51. Where is this thing? Don't mind me. So we took OM and we bought it as how much? 40. Oh, can you just imagine that, guys? We bought it at 40. No. I think it was bought in 2 portions. Yes, it was bought in 2 portions. I almost forgot that. So that's 50, 49. Let me get back there. That's 49, and then 56, 18. I think that's 49.74. Yes, 49.74. Am I right? 49.74. This is OM. And you can see we're trying to calculate that. Don't mind me. 40.56, 9.18. Let me not disturb my brain. 9 points. Let me go and calculate before I start disturbing my brain. So we have 40.56, right? Am I right? 40.56. Is that it? 40.56 plus 9.18. Okay. 9.18 plus 9.18, 49.74. Okay, 49.74, and we got 51.03, guys, minus 49.74. We got $1.29. Beautiful, guys. Wow. Are you here, guys? Go ahead and give us a subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel. Yes, go ahead and subscribe to the channel right away. Thank you so much for joining. Yeah, look at it. We have $1.29. That's beautiful, guys. So how much was the percentage of this? We need to calculate this. And that will be 49.74 times maybe 2.5. What would that be? $1.29. Was it $1.29? I can't remember again. Was it $1.29? Oof. 51.03 minus 49.74. $1.29. Okay. So we had 49.74 times 2.7. No, that's too much. 2.6. Yeah, that's it. 2.6. We got 2.6%, guys. 2.6% on this particular trade. That's beautiful, guys. That's beautiful.